Okay, so this video is about the electronic portfolio, and it's about how to add artifacts or assignments to your ePortfolio that were not collected on its learning, that you did not originally submit to its learning. So we are going to go to our class page, and we are going to go to the assessment portfolio directly, because the assignments would not be in the working portfolio if you did not originally submit them. Here you can see the any and all assignments that we have transferred over from the working portfolio. In this case, I'm going to add an assignment. Let's say that I had submitted as a hard copy, but I have scanned this into my computer. Or a test, for that matter, that contained a primary source analysis, open response question. Any of those would work. I'm going to hit add, and then I'm going to hit the title the same way I did the last time, my last name, and I'm going to put Jefferson Test, because, or you know what, a good example of this would be the midterm DBQ, document-based test, where you had to incorporate analysis of several primary source documents. Here you are adding the same reflection that you had when you submitted something from the working portfolio, where you are answering these questions from the step-by-step handout. How does this assignment show that you have met the proficiency of the skill that you are trying to prove? What part of the assignment did you do well on? What part of the assignment did you struggle? How did you improve from the last time you attempted to do primary source analysis, for example? So we're going to add the answers to those questions into our reflection box. Now the difference here is that I'm going to upload the file. So I'm going to find the file on my computer where I have, for example, scanned in the file to my computer. Okay, so let's say this is my assignment. I'm going to hit upload file. It might take a moment, as you can see, and once it is uploaded, you will see it down here on the bottom of your screen. If it's, for example, the wrong file that you uploaded by accident, just simply hit remove, go back to your files, and find the correct file. When you are finished, hit save, and now your assignment should show up in the assessment portfolio. There it is right there, midterm DBQ. It should also show up when you click on your ePortfolio and go to My ePortfolio, and then to the U.S. History 1 portfolio. There is the assignment on the bottom that I've uploaded, and here is my reflection. Okay, one final note I just want to make. I believe that discussion boards are a really good example of your ability to analyze sources. In this case, in most cases, our discussion boards this year have been analysis of documentaries, which are a secondary source. So if you want to include a discussion board as a sample of your work, you can do that by taking a screenshot of the discussion board post that you made. So let's say, for example, you want to use the Shays Rebellion discussion board, where we watched this documentary and you made some commentary using evidence from the film. Obviously, the one I'm going to show you was not an actual commentary that I made. I just wrote a sample, my example for my portfolio sample response on the Shays Rebellion discussion board. So you're going to find the button on your screen, on your keyboard, that says Print Screen, and you're going to press that button. And then you're going to go to Microsoft Word, and you're going to hit Paste. And the screenshot is going to come up. Now you can save this document as Shays, discussion board, and then you can follow the steps that we just went through to upload this document into your assessment portfolio. the way that we did a few minutes ago. Okay, so add, find the document where you saved it, add your title, last name, save rebellion discussion board, add your reflection here, of course, how this demonstrates your ability to analyze primary sources, find the file, upload it, and then of course hit save, and it will show up in your assessment portfolio. Just another way that you can demonstrate your ability and demonstrate an artifact or an assignment in your assessment portfolio.